Despite having this channel for more than 5 years, I seem to be one of only few, if not the only, watch channel on YouTube that hasn't covered the legendary Seiko SKX007. In production for over 20 years, it was always the go-to diver in the affordable range, and for many it was the first serious watch they ever purchased. Since it's been discontinued and replaced in a way by the watered-down and fashion-conscious 5KX that I did cover, the prices on used examples have steadily been going up. Mint examples are fetching prices 5 to 10 times the original price these were available at. I never had one in my collection, just as I never had a Citizen NY0040, as I found the hands to be too short for my taste on both. It's a pet peeve of mine I usually forget and ignore only if I really like the rest of the watch. This one ended up with me as it was a part of a trade I did with a friend of mine who bought it dead and had it serviced right before we struck the deal. I was like, why the hell not? And it gave me a chance to finally feature it on the channel. I won't cover the specs as there are literally hundreds of videos about the watch, but rather comment on it and ask you to help me decide what to do with it. As you might have seen by the shots already, this one didn't have an easy life. I dated it using the serial number and the fact it has a 7S26C variant of the movement to being a 2012 production model, so just over 10 years old. And in those 10 or 11 years, it is pretty clear it was a daily wear to a non-watch person. In other words, it was used and abused without any care or thought about it. The Jubilee bracelet is stretched and scratched, and so is the rest of the watch. The case has more scars than a teenager's heart, and the bezel looks like it was scraped against the wall or floor more than once. The hardlex also shows battle scars, but not to the point of affecting legibility. Usually, seeing a watch in such a distressed condition would make my heart hurt. But that's the thing with dive watches. The more destroyed they are, somehow, the better they look. My original plan for the watch when I saw its condition was to mod the hell out of it, like so many are out there. But upon wearing it, I kinda started developing that slow-burning love for it. Then my plan changed to maybe restoring it completely using my buddy with a laser welding machine. He could make the case look brand new. I would then source out a new bezel and original insert, as well as a brand new hardlex and Seiko Jubilee bracelets. But the thing looks so cool and the stretched out Jubilee wears so comfortably that now I'm having second thoughts about doing any of the things I originally planned. I know it is now mechanically okay and is ready for another 10-year stint, while the lume is still amazing as you would expect from a Seiko despite its age. So I'm thinking about leaving it as is, making it a true beater and let it wear its battle scars proudly while adding some of mine. The more I wear it, the more I'm leaning to that option. But let me know in the comment section what you would do in my shoes. Would you mod it, restore it to its original glory, or continue wearing it as is? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.